Dear students and honorable viewers, I extend hearty welcome to my presentation. First, let me introduce myself. This is Madhab Roy Chowdhury, Assistant Headmaster from Raozan Aryamaitreya Institution, Raozan, Chattogram. Dear viewers, how are you today? Hope all are well. By coping with the rules of sanitation in this critical pandemic situation of COVID-19, I expect so, and I am also well. Dear learners, today I will tell you some important use of indefinite pronouns. Okay, let's start. Now have a look. I am writing two sentences. Palash is a good student. He goes to school every day. Okay, dear learners, have a look. What is the name of parts of a speech? This what we call it noun, because this is a naming word, that's why we call it noun. Now come to this word, he. What is this? This is pronoun. So what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word used instead of noun. A pronoun is a word used instead of noun or noun equivalent. Okay, dear learners, we are going to talk about pronoun. And what is indefinite pronoun? What is indefinite pronouns? Now try to get a pronoun. Indefinite pronouns are pronouns that do not refer to any particular noun, place or amount. That means which is not definite. These are indefinite pronouns. Now let's talk about some indefinite pronoun. Okay, dear learners, today we are going to talk about some indefinite pronouns, and this is very important because at the time of writing we sometimes do silly mistake. That's why we need to know these indefinite pronouns very much. Now I am writing some indefinite pronouns. You also write down. Someone, somebody, something, somewhere. Okay. And I am writing another group of indefinite pronoun. Anyone, anybody, anything, anywhere. Then another group of indefinite pronoun. No one, nobody, nothing, nowhere. This is third group. And fourth group, everyone, everybody, everything, everywhere. Okay, dear learners, today we are going to talk about these important indefinite pronouns. Now, first, I want to say that you need to note it, this group of indefinite pronouns. Look, there is someone, somebody. This is the same meaning. Anyone, anybody. This is also same meaning. No one, nobody. Everyone, everybody. These are same meaning. And you must use it when refers to person or human beings or living beings. Okay? Which one we will use for persons? Someone, somebody, anyone, anybody, no one, nobody, everyone, everybody. These are used for person. Now look at the next. Something, anything, nothing, everything. Something, anything, nothing, everything. These pronouns are used for things. Any concrete materials. Something, anything, nothing, everything refers for things. Now come to last one. Someone, somewhere, anywhere, nowhere, everywhere. This is used for places. Okay, dear learners. Now there is an important note again. This group of indefinite pronouns used for positive statement. I need to write shortly positive statement. Okay. This group of pronoun used for negative statement and question, information question. Okay. This group of pronoun also use positive statement though there is no one, nobody, nothing, nowhere. You will see at the time of example. This is also positive state. And this group of pronoun also positive statement. Now dear students, you cannot use this group of pronoun at the time of negative. This group of statement you cannot use at the time of negative. This is also we cannot use at the negative statement. So what type of pronouns we use at the negative situation? This group of indefinite pronoun. So now have a look with example. I am writing some example to make you clear. I met someone in the market. Okay, dear learners, I met someone in the market. Next one. So there is another things I need to tell you. Someone, somebody, same things. Anyone, anybody, same things. No one, nobody. Everyone, everybody, same things. They are equal meaning. So if I say someone in lieu of somebody, I can use. Okay. Next one, if I something. I need to eat something. When we feel hungry, at that time we see I need to eat something. Then next one, somewhere. I want to go somewhere. Okay, dear learners, these are all. I have written 3 sentences. I met someone or somebody in the market. I need to eat something. I want to go somewhere. These are all positive statements. If I tell you to make it negative, then what will happen? What will you do? Look. Someone, you have to change, you cannot write this indefinite pronoun someone. If I tell you to make it negative, you have to use anybody or anything, and at that time you need to see that what is the time here. This is past time, isn't it? Met. And the verb, the present form of the verb is meet. So whenever we make into negative, then we have to insert a auxiliary verb, isn't it? Dear student, we need to insert an auxiliary verb and also not. So look, I, if I make it negative, I, this is present, that's why do. Sorry, this is past, that's why we need to insert did. I didn't or didn't, then it will change into present form. I didn't meet. Someone or somebody changed into anyone or anybody. I didn't meet anybody in the market. Okay, dear learners. Now look, I didn't meet anybody in the market. So this is changed into anyone, anybody changed into, sorry, anyone, somebody, someone, somebody changed into anyone, anybody. You can also write anyone also, right. What will happen here? I need to eat something. If we make it negative, this is present. So if we make it negative, you have to insert and you have to bring auxiliary verb do. I don't. I don't need to eat something. Something will change into anything. Okay. Have a look. Something changed into anything. You cannot write here something. I do not need to eat something. This is completely wrong sentence. And you should write I do not need to eat anything. And come to the last one. Sorry. I want to go somewhere. What will happen if I make it negative? I do not want to go. What will happen? Somewhere change into anywhere. So dear learners, now have a good look. What has happened there? This is past tense, didn't, and someone, somebody changed into anyone, anybody at the time of making negative sentence. Need, present, we need to use don't. Something has changed into anything, isn't it? And somewhere, this is also present form. I want, that's why we need to insert don't. I don't want to go anywhere in place of somewhere. So dear students, look, you cannot use these negative sentences by using some or somebody, because whenever you use negative statement, you must use this type of pronouns. Now if I want you to make it question sentence, that means interrogative sentence, then what will you do? What can we do for this sentence turned into a question or interrogative sentence? Look, if I make a question for these sentences, what can we write? Suppose this is past tense, that's why there is no auxiliary. I need to bring an auxiliary. This is did. Subject I, then it will change into present form. Did I meet? Here also change these words, someone or somebody changed into anyone or anybody. Did I meet anybody? Did I meet anybody in the market? Okay, dear students, in the same way we can do these types of sentences. Suppose I need to eat someone. If we make it question for this sentence, what will you write? This is present. Do I need to eat? Look, something changed into anything. Do I need to eat anything? This is question mark also, sorry, this is question mark. And in the last, now tell me what will happen these sentences if I make it interrogative. This is also present form, and subject I, do I want to go somewhere change into anywhere. At this time or at this moment. Question. So I want to tell you that we cannot use this group of indefinite pronouns at the time of positive. This group of indefinite pronouns we must use at the time of making negative sentence and interrogative sentence. Okay, dear learners, now we will see what happened this group of indefinite pronoun. Oh, okay, if you want to write this, you can jot it down. Okay, dear learners, I erase it. Now try to make a sentence by using no one. Suppose there is no one here. There is no one here. That means there is no person available in the room. I like it. It will be better today if I write in this way. There is no one in the room. Okay. Now write, if I use no one in change of nobody, we can use nobody in lieu of no one, same meaning, nobody. Now write a sentence about with the word nothing. There is nothing in the box. Okay, the box is empty. No, not plus thing. That means the box is empty. That's why we can say there is nothing in the box. Nowhere. There is nowhere to go at this moment. Okay, dear learners, have a good look. There is nobody in the room. There is nothing in the box. There is nowhere to go at this moment. Now, dear students, if I tell you to make it negative, this is positive statement. Okay, remember it very carefully. There is nobody in the room. This is positive statement. There is nothing in the box. Also, all these are positive statement. That's why if I say make it negative, then what will happen? There is no one in the room. There, you have to make it negative. There isn't. There isn't. Nobody changed into anybody or anyone. There isn't anybody in the room. Okay, dear students, have you got the idea? What will happen in this sentence? There's nothing in the box. There isn't anything in the box. Now next one, there is nowhere to go at this moment. If I make it negative, what will happen? There isn't anywhere to go at this moment. Okay, dear students, now have a look what has happened there. Nobody changed into anybody, nothing changed into anything, nowhere changed into anywhere. This is how you can make it negative, this group of statement, this group of pronouns. So if we make it, if I tell you to make it interrogative, then what will you do? There is no one in the room. Is there anyone? No one, nobody, no one. Is there anyone? Is there anyone in the room? This will be question mark or interrogative sentence. Isn't there anything in the box? Isn't there? Is there anywhere to go at this moment? Is there anywhere? Nowhere changed into anywhere to go at this moment. So this is how we can make into negative and positive statement. Okay, now have a look about this group of pronoun. This is also used as indefinite pronoun. So okay, dear student, can you make it interrogative sentence with this type of sentences? Okay, now I don't want to write because of time consuming. Okay, come to this group of pronoun. Everyone, everybody, everything, everywhere. So write a sentence about this one. I know everybody. I know everybody in the market, in the play, in the party. Suppose then everybody is same into everyone. Everybody or everyone. Same. Now make a sentence with the word everything. I can use same verb. I know everything about him. That means I am quite familiar with him. I know him very much. If I write, I know everything about him. Everything. Then second one, everywhere. I know everywhere in this locality. Now, dear learners, get a good look about these sentences. I know everybody or everyone. So this is positive statement, isn't it? If I tell you to make it negative, then how can you change this negative? This is present form. So what will happen? I do not know. This will change into negative form, anybody or anyone. Okay? I know everybody. If you make it negative, I don't know anybody or anyone. So what will happen? I don't know anybody. What will happen? I know everything about him. I know everything about him. This is present. That's why I don't know everything changed into anything. I don't know anything. About him. Okay. What will happen in this sentence? I know everywhere in this locality. If we make it negative, I know, I do not know, or I don't know. I don't know everywhere changed into anywhere. Anywhere in this locality. Okay, dear learners, at the same time you can make it negative, you can make it interrogative by using auxiliary verb. What will you make this sentence for interrogative? I know everywhere, everybody. Same way, do I know anybody? Do I know anyone? What will happen this sentence? I know, this is present also. Do I know? Everything will change to anything. Do I know anything about him? Don't write I do not know anything. This will be wrong sentence. Now come to this. If I make it past tense, I knew. K-N-E-W. I knew everything about him. Make it interrogative. This is past form. That's why did I know. Did I know? Everything changed into, sorry, this is everywhere. Everywhere changed into anywhere. Did I know anywhere in this locality? This will be a question mark. Okay, dear learners, if I say every plus noun, then what will happen? Look, I know, suppose I like him, or everybody likes him. So look, this is S. There is S because everybody is a third person singular number. So everybody likes him, everybody hates him, everybody loves him, etc. Okay. So I want to tell you this sentence because of all kinds of indefinite pronouns use as third person singular number. That's why we have to use S or es. Now dear learners, if we say I know every boy, then what will happen? Every plus noun. You can change I know every boy, I know every girl, I know every woman, I know every man, etc., etc. This will happen in this way. So dear students, we have talked about some indefinite pronouns to know to your better writings. Now if you want to jot it down, you can. Now I will tell you. Okay, have you written? I can erase it. Erase the writing. Now I am telling you one more important thing. This is the last tips you need to know. I saw nothing. I saw nothing. No things. You never write. You never write, I did not see, I did not see nothing. This is completely a wrong sentence because there is a didn't, there is nothing. You cannot write this way. You must write this way. I saw nothing. So I like to tell you that nobody, nothing, nowhere. Write it down. Nobody, nothing, nowhere. Cannot take any negative word. That means this word nobody, nothing, nowhere. These indefinite pronouns never take any negative word. That means do not, doesn't, didn't, haven't, etc. etc. They must take only positive statement because nothing. I saw nothing, that's enough. You don't say I do not see anything. This is wrong. Okay, dear students, now I need to tell you another important things, that is, suppose I have told you earlier, everyone speak, or there is I like to write some another verbs. Speak, are speaking, have spoken, speak ill of me, Suppose everybody hates me, everybody doesn't like me, then what will happen? Everyone speak or are speaking or have spoken ill of me. So easy. Which verb we can use for this sentence to make it correct? What can we write? Look, everybody speaks. We cannot use are. We cannot use have. We have to use has spoken ill of me. It's also right, grammatically right. But now I want you to tell that everybody, everyone, everything, everywhere, all these indefinite pronouns used as a third person singular number. Dear students, remember it very carefully. Okay, dear students, I think you have got a good idea about these indefinite pronouns. Next class we will tell you more important things which are related to these indefinite pronouns. Dear students, you know there are three types of indefinite pronouns. One indefinite pronouns used as a singular form, and another group of indefinite pronoun used as a plural, and some indefinite pronoun used as a both singular and plural. Okay, next class we will discuss about these important types of indefinite pronoun which are used both as a singular and as a plural. Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day, dear students.